What's going on, everybody? This is Robert with Robert Saves History, and today I have a special video for you guys today. I did get a package, but stay tuned after the intro and we'll jump in to see what was sent and little product review. Stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I ordered from Muscular Magnetics. I have their website linked in the description below. So let's go ahead and pop the top and see what this is. So this is a 1,000-pound pull force magnet for magnet fishing. And the bundle that I got was, I do believe it was $49.95 or something like that. So I thought I would go ahead and show you guys and pretty much advertise this magnet. No, I am not affiliated with Muscular Magnetic, and this is not a sponsored video unless you guys want to sponsor me. But first, you get what looks like a 100-foot rope with a carabiner on it, and it goes all the way up. So that's pretty cool. You get a set of gloves. Garden gloves. You get some extra tape, so you can make sure your carabiner and the knot doesn't come unloose. You get some medium thread Loctite. I'll explain to you what this is for in a few minutes. You get some information cards, a warning card, let's see here. Looks like you get a bumper sticker or a window sticker, and of course you get the magnet. That's what the magnet looks like. Let's see here. I don't have anything to compare it to, but that's what it looks like. You have a hole up on top and you have a hole right here, and that's on both sides. This is a double-sided magnet on both sides. This right here is not magnetic. So of course this is made out of metal. It doesn't magnet right here, but it magnets right there. Let me get something that's metal. All right. This is a fork. So let's go ahead and listen to that one more time. So it's not going anywhere. And of course, it's not magnetic around it. But it's magnetic right on top. All right, and so you can screw in right here, or you can screw it in up on top, or you can screw it right here. I chose to put it up on top, so when you throw it, you have a better chance of grabbing a hold of something on either side instead of having to only have one side and then having it be mixed in, having whatever item you find get mixed in with your rope. All right, so thread locker. What you need your thread locker for is for the actual bolt. So what happens is if you don't thread lock your magnet, and after a few times throwing this out into the water, it will become corroded and it could rust up. So you put thread locker on there, and then when you grab a hold of something and you pull really hard, you're not stripping your threads or anything like that and damaging your magnet. Also, at the end of every time you use your magnet, it is advised that you clean off everything that you can on your magnet and then spray it down with some WD-40 to prevent any type of corrosion or rusting. All right. The tape is for your rope. That is, when you tie a knot, you can tape the knot so it doesn't come undone. I mean, tape is very useful for any other ways. And then of course you get your gloves. The gloves are regular gloves, but hey, I went with the package that came with them. But you can use these, and that is pretty much it for this product. So first, I would like to thank Muscular Magnetics for making such a really good product, and hopefully in the near future I will go out and get another size magnet and do a product review about that. But if you guys would like to purchase a magnet just like this to get into the same thing as metal detecting but out in the water, just go ahead and click on the link in the description to muscularmagnetics.com, and that's pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for everything you do, and we will see you on our next video. Thank you guys so much. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you would like to make a monetary donation to help to support my channel, please click the link in the description below to my merch store and to my PayPal account. I have also linked a few links from Calico Metal Detecting Company to help you save money on your next adventure saving history. I would like to also thank each and every one of you for all of your support for my channel and for this community, and continue saving history.